worst thing about tonight's that we're not fighting. It couldn't be that we have been this way before. I know you don't think that I'm trying. I know you're wearing them down to the core, but hold your breath, because tonight will be the night that I